children, how are you all? I hope you all are fine, and I have a story for you people named Rahul and the Genie. Let's get started. Select the picture according to you which is the picture of Genie. Okay, and values learnt in this through this story: self-care, dependency and hard work. So let's begin the story and be attentive. One afternoon, Rahul was returning home from school. As he entered the drive, he stopped short. In the garage lay a pile of junk, ready for the kabadi wala part of Mummy's Diwali spring cleaning drive. From experience, Rahul knew that Mummy often discarded the most interesting things. Quickly, he entered the garage and knelt down and began examining the junk. अब हर एक के घर में ऐसा होता है, जब दिवाली की सफाइयाँ होती है तो बहुत सारा जंक ऐसा निकलता है जो हमारी इंटरेस्ट की चीज़ें होती हैं. ओल्ड नोटबुक्स, मैगजीन्स, टिन्स, बोटल्स, ब्रोकन टॉयज, नथिंग हियर. ही एक्सक्लेम्ड, हे वेट अ मिनट, व्हाट इज दिस? ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं निकला था आज इस बार. इट वॉज अ स्मॉल ब्रास लैम्प, वेरी ओल्ड, फेडेड, द डस्टी. राहुल पिक्ड इट. Cute, he exclaimed. उसे बहुत अच्छा लगा. It looks rather like the picture of Aladdin's lamp in my storybook. I wonder if it is magical. उसे मिला और उसे लगा ये तो अलादीन का चिराग है जो मेरी किताब में हुआ करता था. उनकी बुक में ऐसी पिक्चर थी ना. Excited, he ran to his room with the lamp and it wasn't safe to linger on here. The heavens would fall if Mummy came out and caught him holding a filthy old lamp. यहाँ तो रहने से खतरे से खाली नहीं है. यहाँ रहना, मम्मी आ गई तो और ऐसा लैंप पुराना सा देख लिया मेरे हाथ में तो बहुत गुस्सा हो जाएंगी. He was just in time too. For the very next moment, he heard her calling him. Quickly, Rahul shoved the lamp into the cupboard and hid it under his clothes before leaving the room. हो गया काम, ठीक है. बैक आफ्टर हिज लंच, छुपा दिया उसने. बैक आफ्टर हिज लंच, राहुल पुल्ड आउट द लैम्प. उसे तो मजा आ रहा था, उसे तो लग रहा था ये तो अलादीन का चिराग है. छुपा दिया. एंड स्टेयर्ड एट इट. वुड इट कंटेन अ जीनी? हु वुड डू हिज बिडिंग? विथ ग्रोइंग एक्साइटमेंट, राहुल began polishing the lamp against his sleeve. Rahul's sleeves usually served the additional purpose of a handkerchief. वो तो हमेशा रुमाल का ही काम करती थी उसकी बाजू में. टू हिज मदर्स यू कैन chagrin. And now, lo and behold, a luminous pajama-clad figure slowly emerged, much to Rahul's delight. Salam, master. I am Abdullah, the genie of the lamp. At your service, spoke the, apparition in the blooming voice. Command and I shall obey. So उस जिन ने बोला कि आप मुझे आदेश दें, मैं आपके आदेश का पालन करूंगा. Wow, can you really do anything? asked Rahul, wonderstruck. Well, yes, I suppose, said Abdullah rather doubtfully. Rahul came a call from outside. It was his friend, Neeraj. तो उसको राहुल किसी ने बुलाया, उसको आवाज़ आई और उसकी फ्रेंड की आवाज़ थी, नीरज की. राहुल सडनली रिमेंबर्ड द क्रिकेट मैच द गैंग हैड प्लान्ड फॉर द इवनिंग. तो राहुल को याद आया, अरे आज तो मैच था जो हमारी गैंग ने प्लान किया था. बट हिज मैथ्स टीचर हैड गिवन अ लॉट ऑफ होमवर्क दैट डे. इफ ही सैट डाउन टू डू द होमवर्क इट वुड टेक हिम मोर देन 2 hours फॉर श्योर. अगर होमवर्क करने बैठे तो 2 घंटे तो कहीं नहीं गए. Then Rahul brightened up, his eyes fell on Abdullah. His problem was solved. तो उसकी तो बस बन गई है ना, बात बन गई. I have some homework. There are some 20 sums to do. Here, take my textbook and notebook. Do it for me. He ordered gleefully, handing Abdullah's the book. उसने अपनी बुक अब्दुल्ला को दी, नोटबुक भी दी. बोला कि 20 सम है, मेरे लिए कर दो. Yes, master, I'll, but, said Abdullah. But Rahul had raced out of the room before the genie could complete his sentence. पर जब तक जीनी बट बोलते, उनकी तो राहुल जी तो बाहर निकल गए थे. It was quite late when Rahul came into his room, exhausted after a boisterous game. The books were lying on the table. Abdullah was nowhere to be seen. He must have gone back into the lamp after finishing his task. Rahul had his dinner and happily went to bed. चलो, अब उसने सोचा अब्दुल्ला ने काम कर दिया होगा, वापस जिन है तो लैंप में चला गया होगा. खाना खाया, सो गए राहुल साहब. The next morning, the first period was arithmetic. Confident that Mrs. Acharya would be satisfied with his homework. Work for once, after all, a genie had done it. तो खराब थोड़ी होगा, गलत थोड़ी होगा. He handed over his notebook to her as soon as she asked for it. तो उसने बड़े कॉन्फिडेंस के साथ अपनी नोटबुक आगे बढ़ाई और but Rahul was in for a nasty shock. Rahul, what is this? Shrieked Mrs. Acharya furiously. Every single sum is wrong. And what atrocious handwriting. What were you thinking of, while doing this? She held the open notebook out to him. And poor Rahul stared in horror at the illegible scroll with ink blots all over. The writing was crossed out and overwritten in places and spilled over from page boundaries to the margin of the facing page. बड़ी बुरी हालत थी उसकी नोटबुक की. Remembering that his math teacher was a stickler for neatness, Rahul cringed. As a punishment for your sloppy work, you will miss your games period today. Oh my God! Games period miss होना मतलब बहुत बड़ी problem. Rahul declared Mrs. Acharya. During that time, you will sit in the class and work out each sum neatly, not once, but twice, and show me your work before going home. That evening, Rahul returned home fuming. He rushed straight to his room to summon Abdullah and demanded an explanation. I did not know how to do those sums, master, said Abdullah. उसने बोला कि मुझे तो पता ही नहीं कैसे ये सम करते हैं भाई, आपने मुझे दिए, मुझे जैसे आता था मैंने वैसे कर दिए. We haven't been taught this kind of arithmetic in Genie school. मेरे जो जीनी स्कूल था उसमें तो मुझे इससे अर्थमेटिक का कोई काम सिखाया ही नहीं गया. आई वॉन्टेड टू टेल यू डैट बट यू वेंट अवे बिफोर आई कुड स्पीक. आप तो चले गए थे जब तक मैं आपको बताता. सो आई जस्ट डिड द सम्स एज गुड एज आई कुड. राहुल कुड ओनली स्टेयर एट हिम इन स्पीचलेस डिसमे. अब क्या करता, उसके स्कूल में तो सिखाया नहीं था ना. जस्ट देन ही रिमेंबर्ड समथिंग. That morning, Mummy had given him an ultimatum if he did not clean up his room before evening, a task he had been postponing for months. So he would stop his pocket money for a fortnight. तो उसको अल्टीमेटम मिल गया था कि पॉकेट मनी नहीं मिलेगी अगर वो अपना रूम साफ नहीं करेगा. He now decided to give Abdullah another chance. Okay, clean up my room, he ordered. Keep everything in its proper place. Mommy will be around in an hour's time to check. Very well, master, said Abdullah. Rahul then went off to play. Returning an hour later, he ushered Mummy into his room, confident once again that it would not be in a mess. फिर से बुलाया तो confident तो वो second time भी थे. But the next moment, he was left gaping at the utter disorder in the room. Is this some kind of a joke? Demanded Mummy, outraged. Books and toys on the bed, pillows on the floor, clothes on the table. What is in your cupboard? Cupboard में क्या है? She strode up to the cupboard and threw the door open. The next moment she jumped back as a large frog leapt out at her. Rahul gulped. This was a disaster indeed. The frog was his pet, which he had kept in a carefully hidden bottle. Why had Abdullah released it? That does it. No pocket money for you for a whole month. पहले तो 15 दिन के लिए थी, अब पूरे महीने के लिए कोई पॉकेट मनी नहीं मिलेगी. Mummy declared and marched out. Rahul knew that she was in no mood to listen to any explanation. He groaned and buried his head in his hands in utter disappointment. His despair soon gave way to fury. Abdullah had better give a good explanation for this. Master, you only told me to keep everything in its proper place. How could I know the original arrangements? Asked the genie plaintively. When Rahul questioned him, what is your next order? Rahul lost his temper. My next order, he shouted, get lost. I don't need you. Go back to Genie Land or wherever you came from. Almost at once, he regretted his outburst, but it was too late. Whoosh, zoom, जैसे हवा चलती है ना और वो गायब होता है. Before his eyes, Abdullah vanished. The lamp spun in the air and disappeared from the sight. Oh no, what I have done, exclaimed Rahul, slapping his forehead. Now my magic is gone. Then a fresh thought struck him. But what a lot of trouble I have been having ever since I got the magic lamp. So on second thoughts, maybe it is better this way. Working for things is better than विशिंग फॉर दैम. यस, बहुत अच्छी बात कही कि चीज़ों के लिए काम करना बेटर है बजाय उनके लिए विश करना. There was a smile on his face as he got up briskly. He began putting his things back in order. मज़ेदार कहानी थी. ओके, आप राहुल की जगह पर होते तो क्या करते? ओके, सोचिए इस बारे में. और हमारे पास एक वर्ड बैंक है, देखते हैं कौन कौन से वर्ड्स हैं वहाँ. Pile a lot of something. Junk means things that are old or useful. Filthy means very dirty. Shooped means to pushed with a sudden. Apparition is a ghost or an image of a person who is dead. Boisterous is noisy and full of energy. Shriek is to make a short, loud noise in a high voice. Atrocious, extremely bad, illegible, difficult or impossible to read. Declared, clear way, regretted, to feel sorry, briskly is quickly. Moral learnt, we should always work for things rather than wishing for them. In this way we would be able to develop habit of doing hard work and keeping things on proper place. Let's practice through comprehension multiple choice questions. Multiple choice questions में आपके पास MCQ है. Stick the correct option and in B part fill in the blanks. In C part you have to make sentences. In D part answer the following questions. Grammar workshop where you have to fill in the blanks with the verb given in brackets. Use them with or without to. You have one exercise. Select proper words from those given in the brackets to fill in the blanks. A possessive noun is a noun that shows who or what owns or has something. Add an apostrophe and an s to a singular noun to make its possessive, like Madhur's shoes, lion's tail, etc. Add an apostrophe to make most plural noun possessive, like boys clothes, books covers, farmers crop, etc. अगर ऑलरेडी आपके पास s है तो आप एक और s ऐड नहीं करोगे, आप सिर्फ अपोस्ट्रोफ ऐड करोगे s के बाद. Add an apostrophe and add s to not and in add s children's toys, people's houses, women's purses. जहाँ पे s नहीं है वहाँ पे आप ऐड करेंगे. ओके, etc. Complete each sentence. Write the possessive form of the noun in parentheses. Fill in the blanks with the suitable degrees of adjectives in the box. Also name their degree of comparison. Conversation में आपके पास है. In what different ways can you have fun with toys and discuss in group of 5 and share your point to each group. Creative writing. Write the importance of toys in your life and if toys did not exist, what would you miss at measure in your life in a paragraph of 100 to 120 words. Crossroads. Excellence. Decorate creative ideas with gems and stones. See this list of some professions and people. Know how these people show their excellence in their profession. Complete the list. Life skills. Why do you think struggles are exactly what we need in our lives? Justify the statements in your support of answers. Number the events as they happened in the story. And while doing this, have fun, enjoy.